Good morning, everyone. Today I decided to just take a silent walk.
I'll choose my favorite suit now.
I like to walk on the grass without shoes.
The entrance to this house is very beautiful.
That feels better.
There is a Japanese temple ahead of us.
Konnichiwa. I'll give you an overview of our temple. Young people are trained here. This is a traditional dining room.
Thanks for the delicious Japanese pancake.
Can I see the backyard?
Of course.
This is very vibey and delicious. Japanese cuisine is surprising.